Gary Solomon here for the Medical Legal Minute. People injured in automobile collisions and falls often suffer injuries to the discs in their neck and back. These injuries are commonly called herniated discs or ruptured discs or even slipped discs. They are all the same. The medical term disc refers to the rubbery structure between the bones of the human spine. The disc serves as an important shock absorber. Inside each disc is a gel-like substance called the nucleus pulposus. It is protected and held in place by a tough ring called the annulus. A herniation occurs when the annulus tears because of trauma, causing the disc material to leak. This causes pressure on the nerves, which causes pain. Disc injuries are permanent, painful, and often require pain management injections or surgery to repair. People suffering disc injuries caused by another's carelessness or negligence are entitled to be compensated for their pain, suffering, and financial losses. Thank you for watching the Medical Legal Minute. I'm Gary Solomon.